times 30. Okay, 22 copy equals 22. So what is your answer? Okay, plus. So it means to say correct. Okay, you can hear Hey, sige. Count your scores. Count your scores. Okay. Okay, 4. Okay, sige. Who got 5? 4, 3, 2, 1. May 0 pa? Okay, sige.